Okay, so these pointe shoes are way past the point where I need a new pair. They are definitely not usable anymore, but let's see what I can still do in them. For reference, usually shoes should not be able to do this. They should definitely not be able to do that. So let's see if I can balance first of all. That's like the quickest test to see how terrible these shoes are. Ready? 3, 2, oh dear, 1. Okay, that's not gonna work. Wow, that was scary. Okay, let's try that again. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's try my not so good leg. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I just had lunch too. Okay, next we are going to be doing turns. I do not have my hair up, but here's a hair elastic. I'm gonna try a couple of turns, very easy ones because this floor is very slippery, if you haven't noticed, but I do want to try balance one more time. Maybe I'll just do a rotary balance. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ooh, that was actually like not terrible. Ready? I'm gonna try a single. 3, 2, 1. Oh wait, oh. Okay, wait, I think I can do a double. 3, 2, 1. Wait, why was that actually good? I'm perplexed. I'm quite perplexed.